Hi, welcome to Hardreased Info. Now I can show you how to manage input volume in your HyperX Solarcast microphone. To do that, firstly you should open the Start menu, then find Settings. In the Settings, find System on the left panel here, and find Sound. In Sound, you should have chosen microphone HyperX Solarcast here. And here as you can see there is our volume input controller. So for example, right now I can increase the volume input and I can decrease it, and now it's very quiet. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.